Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which traverses a binary tree in a specific level order traversal. First, let us take an example. We begin with level 5 and print 16, then 31, then 17, 30 and so on. We do the same for levels 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now, let us see the algorithm which will assist us in printing this type of level order traversal. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node which is 1 to function print specific level order. So, root will point to 1. We create a stack and push the root node which is 1 into the stack. Then we check if the left child of root is not null. As 1's left child is not null, we push the right and the left child of 1 into the stack. So 3 and 2 are pushed. Now we check if there are nodes at next level in the given binary tree. Since 1's left child which is 4 is not null, we call the print specific level order util function with root and stack s passed. We have root variable in print specific order util which will point to 1. We use a queue data structure in this function. We enqueue the left and right children of 1 into the queue. So 2, which is the left child of 1, is enqueued. Then 3, which is the right child of 1, is enqueued. We process 2 nodes at a time, so we need 2 variables to store 2 front items of the queue. We make node first and node second point to null. Since queue is not empty, we enter the while loop. Now, first will point to the front element of the queue, which is 2. Then second will point to the front element of the queue, so second will point to 3. 3 will be dequeued. Now we push first and second nodes children in reverse order into the stack. So first we push the left child of second, which is 6, into the stack. Now we push the right child of 2, which is 5. Then we push the right child of 3, so 7 will be pushed. Next, the left child of 2, which is 4, is pushed. We check if nodes first and second have grandchildren. Since first left is not null, we enqueue the right child of node 2, which is 5, into the queue. Now the left child of second, which is 6, is enqueued. Next, the left child of 2, which is 4, is enqueued. And the right child of 3, which is 7, is enqueued. Since queue is not null, we continue with the while loop. Now first will point to 5 and 5 will be popped. Also second will be point to 6 and 6 will be popped. We push first and second nodes children, so left child of 6, which is 12, is pushed. Now the right child of 5, which is 11, is pushed. Next, the right child of 6, which is 13, is pushed into the stack. Finally, the left child of 5, which is 10, is pushed. We check if node 5 has grandchildren. As it does not have, we continue with the while loop. Now first will point to 4 and 4 will be dequeued. Also second will point to 7 and 7 will be dequeued. Next we push the first and second nodes children into the stack. So we push the left child of 7, which is 14. Next we push the right child of 4, which is 9. Then the right child of 7, which is 15, is pushed. Finally, the left child of 4, which is 8, is pushed. Since queue becomes empty, control will come out of the while loop and we continue execution in print specific level order function. Now we pop all nodes from the stack and print them. So starting from the top, first 8 is printed and popped. Now one by one we print all the elements of the stack and pop them. Now since stack becomes empty, we come out of the while loop and finish execution of this program. We have the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.